Hey everybody, this is Dr. Vince DeFury. I want to talk to you today about chiropractic care and why it's important for everybody, from children through adults. You know, our spine is a conduit. The spinal column protects the spinal nerve roots as well as the spinal cord. The skull protects the brain. The communication of the brain via the spinal cord out to the spinal nerves allows the body to function appropriately. All tissues, cells, and nerves, organs of the body receive spinal nerves that come off the spinal cord and from the brain. So these signals act as a telegraphic system back and forth to the body, allowing it to function appropriately. And therein lies the reason why chiropractic treatment is so important, not just for the alleviation of pain involving the neck, back, shoulders, sciatica, and things of that nature, but having the body run appropriately at the best level it can. In fact, many conditions seem to resolve and improve significantly that have really nothing to do with musculoskeletal. We've seen significant improvements with patients with asthma, with constipation, diarrhea, IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, and a myriad of other different things, menstrual cramps, perimenopausal conditions, hot flashes, just from correcting interference that occurs at the level of the spine, and allowing the body to function appropriately. So let me show you a couple of different things right now that are really important. So here we have a chart of the human spine, and basically we're looking at the curves. Here's the skull, the jaw, here's the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, and the lumbar spine. 24 bones separated by a number of discs in between most of the areas that allow the area of the joints to be open. And when we damage discs, that space in between the joints occasionally becomes reduced. So here we have an example, I'm looking at this of what the force in G-force of what's happening in between the two bones of the disc. And if we have some misalignment, it only increases the amount of trauma and breakdown to the point where the patient could develop a rupture or herniation. And the sequela of that, once that area is no longer in that particular pattern of pain and discomfort, is wear and tear in the spine, which we call disc degeneration. So understanding that the spine, the disc, the nerves, and everything else, it was one group. And that information that comes from the brain down the spinal cord, down through those spinal nerves, have to be kept intact in order for the body to function properly. This little shock absorber known as the intervertebral disc is very important to maintain the right pressure on it, or else it can break down and damage. And quite frankly, we certainly don't want to go for back surgery if we don't have to. So the bottom line is get the body working healthy and strong, and allow it to function properly. If we have conditions that also come into consideration regarding a scoliosis, too much of a thoracic curve called kyphosis, and a variety of other different things, hyperlordosis, it's going to not only create pain, wear and tear, and breakdown in the body, but interference in the actual nerve communication out to the rest of the body and affecting one's health. So everyone basically can benefit from chiropractic care. This is a study that was done of a cadaver. It shows the normal alignment of the spine with the spinal cord being relaxed appropriately. Here we have the spinal cord under less tension. Here everything has been stretched out of position right now, and there's pressure on the brainstem. So many conditions, including headaches, respond from chiropractic treatment, constriction of the spinal tissue as well. So we want to bring that from here back to here to get normal function once again. So that's it for basic information, and we could talk much more about the benefits of chiropractic care, and we'd love to help you out.
Just relax. Bend your head forward. Come on back up. Backwards. Come on back up. Turn your head to the right. Forward. Turn your head to the left. Forward.
Really? I don't have it.
Yeah, you got a left issue right there.
Oh.
Pull it down. Sit down over here, my friend.
That's new.
Alright. Let that come all the way over. Feel my thumbs?
Yeah.
That's it. Arms by your knees. Drop. No, by your knee on the outside.
Ah!
Whew. Go back up. Straight. Turn around. First thing we do is ribs. Relax. 1, 2. Now crisscross, my friend. And relax your body as much as you can. Let it go. Breathe. Stay on your feet.
Yeah.
There you go. Come away. Take a look. Right there. Whole posture's changed. You feel the difference? How your shoulders came back? Come sit right over here. Feet going that way. Cross your arms, drop your head down, bring it back. Good, one more time. Let that body go. You're holding on.
Yeah.
There you go. Fantastic. That's so easy to let it go sometimes. It's like that thing where they say, catch me, and all of a sudden it's like, I can't do that.
For you, I can do it anytime.
Okay, there you
I
go.
trust
For
you.
me. Thank you. Beautiful. Turn sideways. Take a deep breath in. Excellent. How you feel?
Fantastic.
There we go. Thank you.
Thanks.